25th World Scout Jamboree. What can I say? This jamboree has been no other. And now, over the past few days, I've seen us embodying the true scouting spirit, making the most of an inspected jamboree to explore Korea. I saw scouts getting into nature, visiting museums and temples, learning about K-pop dance and music, joining traditional tea ceremonies, enjoying themed park activities, and so much more. I hope you enjoyed this experience and that you take away some beautiful memories from your time in Korea at this event. After all that we have been through together during these last 10 days, here we are, together again, to end this jamboree on a high note. To remember us, Scouts must and whistles under all circumstances, to be inspired by the people you met this week, including all amazing volunteers who we owe so much thanks. To know that you're stronger and more resilient than you imagine. This is the experience and memories I hope you all take back home with you. Friends, it's now time to say goodbye, au revoir, and 안녕히 가세요. I wish you safe travels, and I hope to see you at the next Jamboree, Poland, again soon. And now, I will announce the closing of the 25th World Scout Jamboree. Experience you have had for 12 days was a valuable moment to learn what Jamboree is and put it in practice. The Republic of Korea is with you and supports your dream. Your dream. I declare the 25th World Scout Jamboree in Saemangeum, Korea, closed. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. 감사합니다.
네. 폐영 선언을 해주셨습니다. 임재현 게스트 서비스부 유스 부장에게 큰 박수를 부탁드리겠습니다.
Please give another big World Scout Jamboree Youth Head Guest Services Department, Jaehyun Lim. Thank you.
네, 다음은 아흐마드 알헨다위 세계 스카우트 사무총장님께서 환송사를 해주시겠습니다. 여러분 박수로 환영해 주시기 바랍니다.
Next, the Secretary General of the World Organization of the Scout Movement, Ahmad Al-Handawi, will give closing remarks. Please give him a big round of applause.
Hello, Scouts! Good evening, Scouts! So, let me ask you, are you happy to be back together? Fellow Scouts, what a couple of days for all of us. The last few days have not been easy, to say the least. Exhausting, but also very inspiring. You adapted in front of all challenges. You impressed the world with your spirit. You looked after each other. I am painfully aware that you had other expectations, that your dream of this jamboree was a different one. I know this wasn't easy on you. No other event has faced this many challenges and extreme weather conditions. But also, no other jamboree in history showed the determination, creativity, and the resilience you have shown. You rose to the challenge, Scouts. You rose to the challenge and turned this into a special experience. Just look around you tonight. We made it back and reunited our jamboree. We will carry these unique memories from this event. This is the first time that we have a traveling jamboree. Look to your right, look to your left, smile, and remember all of these people who have lived this unique experience with you. We will all look back at this experience and reflect on our learnings. But one thing that we knew and was proven once again, that if anyone can do it, it's you, Scouts. All of this was achieved because of many incredible volunteers who were with us every step of this journey. Maybe the best way to thank them is by quoting one of them. And I quote Suzanne, a volunteer with us here. She said, "We do this for the participants. We do this to give them the time of their life and create memories, to see how beautiful our world is and all our similarities." So to the over 7,000 volunteers of this mighty international service team who made this experience possible, Scouts, would you join me when I count to 3 to say from the bottom of our hearts a big thank you to every volunteer and a Scout leader who made this possible. When I count to 3, we say thank you to our volunteers. 1, 2, 3. This gathering tonight is possible with the host who mobilized to make this reunion possible before we depart. I would like to thank the Korean Scouts and government, and importantly, I would like to thank the Korean people. Many of us were stopped in the streets by people extending help and showing true care and hospitality. My fellow Scouts, this experience equipped us all to deal with the big challenges out in the world. Scouts build the bridges between cultures. Scouts solve the problems and help others. Scouts create a better world, the world that young people deserve. My friends, we bonded by our values, that this world is both beautiful and unpredictable. And as a Scouts, we are equipped with the skills, values, and spirit to face any storm. So let's take this experience forward with us, share our stories, and inspire future generations to be resilient, compassionate, and always prepared. So Scouts, with regrets for all that didn't work during this Jamboree, but with incredible gratefulness and resolve that the power of our movement will travel from here to all corners of the globe. I wish you all to enjoy this unique closing ceremony that is bringing us all together. Cherish this moment, have fun, and I wish you all a safe journey back home. And until next time in Poland, thank you, Scouts!